Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. If you're passionate about wildlife or sports photography, the Nikon Z90 might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Rumors suggest that Nikon is gearing up to release an APS-C mirrorless powerhouse that could shake up the industry in 2025. From groundbreaking burst rates to next-gen autofocus technology, this camera is shaping up to be a serious contender, even against some full-frame giants. In this deep dive, we'll cover all the latest leaks, including specifications, pricing, release details, and how it compares to the competition. So, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exclusive camera updates. A 33MP APS-C sensor designed for professionals. Nikon seems to be going all out with the Z90, featuring a newly engineered 33-megapixel APS-C sensor, rumored to be optimized for exceptional low-light performance and enhanced dynamic range. Paired with the Speed 7 image processor, this sensor is expected to deliver improved light-gathering efficiency for crisper, more detailed shots, expanded ISO range up to 25,600, ensuring superb performance in challenging lighting conditions, enhanced dynamic pixel technology to preserve fine details, even in high-contrast scenes. This high-resolution APS-C sensor could position the Z90 as a serious alternative to some entry-level full-frame cameras. Blazing fast burst shooting and buffer performance. Sports and wildlife photographers, this one's for you. The Nikon Z90 is rumored to feature unprecedented burst speeds, with 20 FPS continuous shooting in RAW mode and a massive buffer capacity exceeding 1,200 shots. To make things even smoother, deep learning AI buffer management could optimize data processing, ensuring minimal lag and zero slowdowns. If true, this would make the Z90 one of the fastest APS-C cameras ever, competing directly with the likes of the Sony a6700 and Canon R7. Pro-level video capabilities. 4K 60 FPS and ProRes RAW. For videographers, the Nikon Z90 is rumored to offer uncropped 4K 60 FPS recording, setting a new standard for APS-C cameras. Leaks also suggest internal 10-bit 4:2:2 color sampling, perfect for high-end color grading. 5.8K oversampling, reducing moire and aliasing for crystal-clear footage. Full-size HDMI port, supporting ProRes RAW output for serious filmmaking workflows. With these features, the Z90 could rival some of Nikon's full-frame cameras in video performance. Next-generation autofocus system. Nikon is said to be integrating its most advanced hybrid autofocus system to date, boasting over 550 detection points and AI-powered subject tracking. The autofocus system is rumored to include wildlife mode, recognizes species-specific movement patterns. Sports mode, anticipates and locks onto fast-moving subjects. Portrait and street mode, eye-tracking technology optimized for complex lighting conditions. Insiders claim this could outperform Sony's industry-leading autofocus, making the Z90 an unstoppable force for action photography. 5-axis IBIS for ultimate stabilization. Whether you're shooting handheld sports action or on-the-go video, the Z90's 5-axis in-body image stabilization could provide up to 7.5 stops of compensation. This means smoother shots, sharper images, and better low-light performance. No tripod is needed. Design, build and ergonomics. Viewfinder and LCD display. 3.69 OLED electronic viewfinder for a clear, lag-free experience. 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen, perfect for vlogging and creative angles. Memory and storage. Dual card slots. CF Express Type B plus SD UHS-2. Blazing fast write speeds for uninterrupted RAW burst shooting and 4K recording. Battery and connectivity. Expected battery life. 750 plus shots per charge. USB-C with power delivery support for fast charging. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for instant file transfers. Cloud backup support for professionals who need real-time data security. Will the Nikon Z90 redefine APS-C cameras? According to leaked Nikon roadmaps, the Z90 is being positioned as a high-performance hybrid camera, bridging the gap between enthusiasts and professionals. With AI-powered autofocus, industry-leading burst rates, and cinema-grade video features, the Z90 might just be the APS-C camera that outshines even some full-frame competitors. Release date and pricing expectations. Industry insiders hint at a late 2025 release, with potential delays to fine-tune autofocus and buffer performance. This could ultimately work in Nikon's favor, ensuring a refined product at launch. As for pricing, expect a starting price between $1,599 and $1,999. If the rumored specs hold up, this could offer unmatched value against competing models like the Sony a6700 and Fujifilm X-H2. Final thoughts. Is the Nikon Z90 the ultimate APS-C camera? The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse, offering high-speed performance, cutting-edge autofocus, and 4K Pro-level video recording. If these specs turn out to be accurate, this camera could redefine what APS-C mirrorless cameras are capable of. What do you think? Could the Z90 shake up the mirrorless camera industry? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive camera updates right here on Techno Trend Zone.